This is the story about real life. A story about how real life gets even better when you're immersed in detail, in texture, in color and motion. This is the story about how Contoura Vision makes life more real. Contoura Vision is much more than the LASIK you think you know. It's a procedure that uses today's most advanced technologies to create a completely customized treatment. And it's a procedure that 98.4% of patients said they would get again. It's LASIK designed for you. Your path to better vision begins with the Wave Light Vision System. From advancements in laser technologies and diagnostic tools, this groundbreaking system is the foundation for Contoura Vision. The Wave Light system is designed to deliver a treatment driven by advanced mapping technologies that create a highly individual, precise, and accurate map of the cornea. To create your personalized treatment, the Wave Light system captures the distinct characteristics of each eye with the Wave Light Topalizer Vario diagnostic device. This powerful tool maps up to 22,000 unique elevation points on the eye, creating a complete map of your cornea. This is what makes your procedure completely personal and completely unique, as unique to you as your fingerprint. Before your procedure, your eye doctor will determine if you are a candidate for Contoura Vision by testing your vision, mapping the shape of your cornea, screening for eye diseases, and measuring corneal thickness, eye movement, and pupil size. The beauty of Contoura Vision is how quick the actual procedure is. The length of the entire procedure can be as short as 30 minutes, and the amount of laser time on each eye can be as short as 15 seconds. A laser will be used to create a small protective flap from tissue on your cornea. Your surgeon will then use the detailed surgical plan created by your initial testing and the extensive mapping by the Wave Light system to program your personalized treatment. Pulses of cool laser energy are applied to reshape your cornea. At the end of the procedure, the corneal flap is then laid back into place, acting as a natural bandage to help your eye heal. Most patients experience a noticeable difference in their vision immediately after the procedure. That's because Contoura Vision completely redefines your quality of vision, which means you can get more out of every moment and every day. 92.6% of eyes treated with Contoura Vision achieved normal 20/20 vision. But the results didn't stop there, as many eyes achieved better than normal vision. 64.8% of eyes treated with Contoura Vision achieved 20/16 vision. Contoura Vision also delivered exceptional visual performance, with 30.9% of primary eyes achieving better vision than with glasses or contacts. Contoura Vision patients experienced improvements on many of the visual symptoms commonly associated with glasses and contacts, like light sensitivity, difficulty driving at night, reading difficulty, halos, glare, and starbursts. These are people who have experienced a real difference, people who have experienced real freedom. It's about how Contoura Vision can make your eyesight better. It's about how you can experience amazing detail and astonishing texture, and how you can see breathtaking color and thrilling motion in every moment of every day. Contoura Vision means you spend more of your life smiling. Smiling like the 98.4% of patients who said they'd get the procedure again. Contoura Vision makes every experience completely real, every one. Contoura Vision is about you and real.